Basic English, conversation practice.
Excuse me, are you English?
No. I'm American.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
Are you married?
No. I'm not married.
How long have you been here?
About 2 years.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 children. 2 girls and 1 boy.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you? Would you like to have coffee?
No. Thanks, I like tea.
How about a cup of tea?
It sounds good. What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure.
Would you like a drink?
Sure, let's go.
Are you ready?
Yes. I'm ready.
Do you need a few minutes?
I think we're ready.
Anything else?
Nothing else.
Who would you like to speak to?
I'd like to speak to Mr. Smith, please.
When will he be back?
He'll be back in 20 minutes.
What time does it start?
It starts at 10 o'clock.
What will weather be like tomorrow?
It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
Are you afraid?
No. I'm not afraid.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes. I'm allergic to seafood.
Are you happy?
Yes. I'm happy.
Are you hungry?
Yes. I'm hungry.
Are you sick?
Yes. I'm sick.
Are you sure?
No. I'm not sure.
Can you swim?
Yes. I can swim. Do you have a girlfriend?
No. I don't have a girlfriend. Do you have any vacancies?
Sorry, we don't have any vacancies.
Do you take credit card?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
Do you understand?
Yes. I understand.
How far is it?
About 20 kilometers.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
What is your job?
I'm self-employed.
How much money do you have?
I don't have any money.
What's today's date?
October 24th.
What does he do?
He is a farmer.
What does this mean?
That means friend.
What time is checkout?
11:30 p.m.
What time is it?
It's 7:15.
What size?
Size 8.
Where's the closest hotel?
There is a hotel over there. But I don't think it's very good.
Where are you leaving?
I'm leaving tomorrow.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is May 17th.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where would you like to go?
I'd like to go home.
How's the weather?
It's going to be hot today.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
When do you get off work?
I get off work at 6 p.m.
How's business?
Business is good.
One way or round trip?
A one-way.
Where's an ATM?
Behind the bank.
Where's the pharmacy?
It's near the supermarket.
Are you busy?
Yes. I have a lot of things to do.
Is it ready?
Everything is ready.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room.
Are you okay?
Yes. I'm okay.
How was that film?
It was very interesting.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater.
What is wrong?
Nothing. I'm fine.
What do you call this?
It's an umbrella.
Where did you go on holiday?
We went to Vietnam.
Why did you go shopping?
I needed a new shirt.
Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can play tennis.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No. It isn't.
How much is it?
It's $50.
How much altogether?
$45.
How much are these earrings?
55 cents.
How much does this cost?
It's $65.
Are they the same?
Yes. They're the same.
Can I try it on?
Sure, the changing rooms are over there.
What's that?
It's a dog.
May I open the window?
Certainly.
Is this your shirt?
No. It's my father's shirt.
Whose is this?
It's Jack's.
How is she?
She's pretty.
What seems to be the problem?
I can't find my laptop.
How much money do you have?
I only have $10.
How much do you make?
$5 per hour.
Thank you for watching my videos.